gifted this absolutely adorable vintage beautiful lamp by VOUTOORO. It's absolutely gorgeous with a glass touch to it, and it has 3 teardrop cage heads that sit over an 800 lumen LED bulb. This lamp is very sturdy as it sits on an 8-inch metal base that is very heavy. In saying this, it is very sturdy, but it is also very delicate. Each of the heads holds glass tubes that allow for the illumination of a beautiful ambiance. What I didn't know is that each of the screws are placed already inside of each of the lamp poles, and you just need to take the little tool and tighten them. They give you an extra one just in case one falls out. Putting this lamp together took a little bit of time, but it was so worth it because it is absolutely stunning after you put everything together. Carefully put each of the glass tubes inside of each of the lamp heads, as they are breakable. Another exciting aspect of this lamp is that the lightness and brightness of it is dimmable, so you can have it at a lower contrast or a higher contrast depending on what kind of mood you're in. Overall, I believe that this product was made very well. It is a very stunning lamp and holds and is very sturdy. I love that you can contrast with the different dimmable light options, and it makes for a really cozy and ambient look. It's perfect for a book nook or in a cozy bedroom. Either way, this is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful lamp, and I highly recommend to anybody.